What's up, everybody? This is KingsEliteBreaks.com. I thought number 3 was going to be the last break, but I guess number 4 is going to be the last break. We just filled it up again. Neil grabs all 15 spots, sells out the break. So this is 2017-18 Hit Parade Autograph Hockey Jersey Hobby Box. Series 26, 1-box break, 2 random teams. Number 4. Number 5 will be the last break, and we'll be doing that tomorrow. So that'll be the last one we have in stock. Like I said, Neil sells out the break, so this is going to be a personal. And here it is. Looks like it says box 77 of 100. Series 26. Good luck, man. Holy shit. Alright. Alexander Ovechkin. Wow, look at that. JSA, COA. It's in here as well. Ovi. Well, there you go. I'm not going to take out that jersey. I want to leave that one perfect the way it is. But you know who that is. Alexander Ovechkin, autograph hockey jersey. There you go, Neil. That was the break. We have one more jersey left. Maybe we'll have the Crosby one in that last box. That'll be for tomorrow, guys. KingsEliteBreaks.com. I'll see you guys next time.